Shenzhen, China's most competitive and innovative city. Automation systems are more widely used for electric garage door, gate, barrier, rolling shutter, blinds and keyless entry industry. Remote control, especially Wi-Fi smart control, becomes the global development trend. They help to make a possibility to smart control these devices from a remote place needed conveniently. Patented products. New molded remote control. Patents and certification. Keep developing new product. CE, ROHS, FCC and more.